Welcome to Mark S. Burnham Provincial Park. Found this by surprise, and well, it's pretty much the suburbs of Peterborough. I mean, there's a Tim Hortons and a Honda across the road, so it is literally right in town. But there is a cute little network here, and like usual, we come and have a picnic somewhere, or you know, do a hike or both. So that's the plan. And there is a patch and a sticker for this, so there will be one more going on the fridge. Unfortunately, you have to order it online. Right now I'm going to visit a cute little picnicker over here, seeing as I have the food